Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to see how to use confetti package in Flutter. For that we need to install a plugin in our Flutter app, which is this confetti, and then after importing we will be going through the documentation of this Flutter plugin and we'll go accordingly and implement the confetti in our Flutter app. So for that I've created a simple main method, and now I'm going to create this confetti page stateful widget. I'm going to call it as confetti page. So now I'm going to return a scaffold widget over here. So for the body to this I am going to give a simple column widget, and this takes the children. So now before going further, first I would like to create the controller for the confetti. So I'll be going to do that in the init state method. So in this init state method, I am going to define the controller variable for the confetti. So first I'll going to define the confetti controller. The type is going to be the confetti controller, and the controller is the variable. So now I'm going to say controller equal to confetti controller. This takes the duration as a parameter. I'm going to pass the duration for a seconds of 4. So this means the confetti displays for 4 seconds in our Flutter application. So now I am going to make use of this code present in the documentation. So as you can see, I've created the controller and I've initialized the confetti controller in the init state. So now I'm going to make use of the code present in this documentation, and so I'm going to make use of this top center, which means the confetti comes from the top center of our screen. So I'm going to copy this code, going to paste it over here. So basically this is a widget, a confetti widget. We are wrapping this confetti widget with an align widget and saying that this confetti should be coming from the top center of the screen. So we need to pass the controller to this confetti widget. So in our case, our confetti controller is the controller variable. So all these are the properties for this confetti widget. Like you can give the blast direction, max blast force, min blast force, emission frequency, number of particles, and gravity. So now there is a simple button which says play. Let me change this now. So now when this button which says play should trigger the controller and call the play method of the confetti. So what happens is that when we click on this play button, the controller triggers this play method and our confetti gets played. So for some reasons I will be wrapping this scaffold widget with a safe area widget. So now I'm going to run this and see the output. So as you can see, after running the application, I've got a simple play button here. So when I tap on this, you can see the confetti coming from the top center of our screen. So this is how you display confetti in your screen. In a similar way, you can display your confetti in different directions. When you head over to this documentation, you can see the code for center, and you can also see for the center right, center left, top center, which we have implemented now. You can also see the bottom center, and you can also customize these properties for your own requirements. So this is how you use confetti in your Flutter application. So, and finally we have to thank to the developer for this package for giving out this amazing plugin and making our life easier. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video.